can a busy realtor develop new skills and learn about evolving real estate trends? Achieving and maintaining a professional certification or designation from the National Association of REALTORS is a great place to start. Realtor designations and certifications awarded by NAR and its affiliated groups acknowledge experience and expertise in various real estate sectors. According to NAR, designations offer extensive benefits that are continually improved upon and expanded. NAR and its institutes, societies, and councils provide advanced designation and certification programs to help members stay competitive and increase their value proposition. November is NAR's Designation Awareness Month, and they're offering a 20% discount during the entire month on a variety of education programs. Their online courses cover an array of subjects from hot topics making headlines around the world like diversity issues or going green to the very fundamentals of being a realtor, including negotiating or representing a buyer or a seller. To see a list of these invaluable courses, visit NAR Center for Realtor Development page at onlinelearning.realtor. Bay East can also help its members with professional development through our comprehensive education program. You can see the classes we have scheduled on Bay East's event calendar at bayeast.org/events. The best way to stay on top of the ever-changing real estate profession is to educate yourself. And remember, those extra few letters on your business card could go a long way.